I have the iPods from Apple, but I'm always afraid that I'm gonna lose them. So I've been using this Beats Flex for 5-6 years now. I tell you, this is the best headphones that I've ever owned, and I just threw out my other ones because I used them for so long that the rubber disintegrated. So I'm unboxing my new pair of Beat Flex that I will be using for the next 5 years, I hope, because this thing is the best thing ever. Check it out. So they're sturdy, they're really sturdy. I mean, I'm telling you, 5 years of use every day. I put them in my pocket. That's where they were always. I think that's why they got ruined, because you put these things in your pocket and it rubs with keys and all kinds of things. And this is the way it works. You have the earbuds there. They're connected. You don't have to be worried that you're gonna lose them. That's why I don't use the ones from Apple. I don't use them because if they fall off and into a crack on the street, that's it, they're done. So here you control everything. You control the volume, the programming, everything happens here. Let me see. There you go, you control it there. Right? And here. So you wear them like this, and there you go. I use them not only for listening to music, but a lot of times because I'm a musician and a performer, like sometimes I went to places that were really, really loud, and I would just wear these. There's pictures of me dancing wearing these just to protect my ears. So the guys at Beat Flex, they designed a beautiful product that'll last you for a long time, that looks beautiful, that's well made, and best of all, the music sounds great on these. The bass response is awesome. Well, Beats by Dre, that's the way it works. So